Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Worley with WC Fab, and today we're going to show you our fabricated rear diff cover for the GM, Ram, and Ford heavy-duty trucks. All right, we've got 4 different differential covers on the table in front of us here. They fit 4 different models across the 3 different platforms. First, we'll talk about the manufacturing process and how we've designed them. All 4 of our covers have been designed in CAD, starting with CAD models of the axle housing and designing the flange, and then a sheet metal cover that gets welded to the flange. So we've designed all of our covers to have smooth angles and not be a complete box design like some other covers on the market that have sharp inside corners that do not help with the fluid flow. Smaller, square portion with nice angled entry and exit from the differential for the gear oil slinging off the differential and draining back down into the bottom of the diff. So it's a CNC laser cut flange out of 1/4-inch aluminum. Some models go in the CNC machine to get an O-ring groove cut. Others just use a flat surface to seal with the factory style gasket. The sheet metal design itself also done on a laser, CNC bent, and all of these covers are TIG welded here in-house. We've got a nice large 1-inch O-ring boss style fitting that we've located at the proper height in the cover to be your fill point. Once you're filled up to the bottom of that hole is your full level. All of these models, depending on application, give an increased fluid capacity between 1 to 2 quarts depending on the model. So we are adding additional fluid capacity to the rear end. We went to that nice 1-inch design for the ORB so that it's easier to fill the gear oil in. You're not trying to fill through a little tiny 1/2-inch hole. We have a nice CNC machined black anodized plug with supplied O-ring. Again, it's an ORB style fitting, and we've incorporated a 3/4-inch hex into the end of that plug so that it's a more common, conveniently accessed 3/4-inch wrench. Easy install, easy accessibility for that oil fill port and your fill level if you're ever needing to check it. So that's the construction of the rear differential cover. All of the covers come standard with stainless steel installation hardware, and we have options for ARP stainless hardware if you'd like to upgrade for that nicer fit and finish of the ARP 12-bolt stainless fastener. So working over here from my right, we have our 2001 to 2019 AAM 11.5 cover. So this is going to be compatible for your Ram and your GM 2500 and 3500 pickups, ending at the 2019 model year. This cover is meant to be used with your OEM style gasket. It is a smooth surface, not using an O-ring. If your truck is older, we do recommend purchasing the new OEM replacement gasket with the cover. If you have a newer truck, lower miles, these gaskets from GM are considered a reusable gasket, but we recommend replacing them on older high mileage trucks. If you've got a newer vehicle or an older vehicle with lower miles, you can reuse your OEM gasket in most cases. So that's why we have the gasket as a separate item instead of being combined in the kit to help keep that cost down because they're a fairly expensive gasket. Next to that one is our next. The differential in these trucks got larger, so the bolt pattern changed. And again, just like the other AAM axle, is a smooth back surface, so you can reuse your OEM gasket or opt for the new replacement. So moving on from the GM and the Ram application, we have our 2 Ford covers here. We've got our M275, which is a 14-bolt cover, and then we have our 12-bolt cover. So with the Ford application, the F250 and the F350 trucks, from 99 to current is essentially what we cover. The 12 bolts starting back on the 99 models, all the way back to your 7.3 platform, and then a lot of the newer trucks using the 14 bolt. The Ford trucks over the years, there's a lot of options, and when you're purchasing these trucks from the factory, there's a lot of different variations in the rear axle that comes in these trucks. So it's very important that you don't just go off of being an F250 or F350 or a model year. It's important to get underneath your truck and count the hole pattern and make sure that it matches what we offer. Both of these covers, we have incorporated an O-ring groove on the flange, and we'll supply you with a new O-ring seal to seal that cover to the rear differential housing. So you're not having to reuse the factory gaskets. We're not a fan of paper gaskets or having to use silicone on the cover, so that's why we incorporated the O-ring groove. Overall, the differential covers that we're manufacturing here at WC Fab, they're offering you increased capacity and an improved look on the back of the truck, designed here in-house at WC Fab and tested here in-house on our trucks, manufactured 100% in the USA with domestic materials, welded here in-house, and of course, our powder coat finish. We take great pride here at WC Fab with our powder coating finish. Our popular WC Fab red and then gloss black shown are the other three covers. We've got many different colors in stock on the shelf if you're in a hurry and need one quick. If you're looking to do custom colors, those will come with an extended lead time. So that wraps up our fabricated rear differential covers for GM and Ram 2001 to current, and Ford F250, F350 from 1999 to current. If you've got any other questions about the diff covers or about your particular model, feel free to reach out to our sales team or leave a comment below. Thanks a lot for watching.